All right, let's talk about how you use your Young Living Fitments. How do you make your own rollerball? Well, it's really quite simple. So what you're gonna do is unscrew the white top. This is the orifice. Little note right here. Inside this orifice there's a little tiny, tiny hole. Did you know that's actually where your oil comes out? It doesn't come out of this big hole right there. It comes out of that really tiny hole. So if you think that your bottle is out of oil, well, think again. Maybe you don't have the bottle tipped in such a way that it's right where that tiny little hole is. Okay, back to the task at hand. Take the orifice off. After you've done that, you're going to take the rollerball, put the rollerball on top of the bottle, but do not press that down. Take your black lid and screw it on. Sometimes you'll hear a click. Sometimes it'll just get a little bit tight and then loosen up. That's when you know that it is on. Unscrew and you can see that this is attached to the bottle. Now let's say you want to add more oil or make a slightly different blend. All you have to do is take your black lid and you're going to click it right here. And you're just going to pull that up and off. See how easy that was? Super simple. Enjoy.